The 2025 GIGAME Terrain Denali Ultimate SL is a vehicle that's been turning heads with its sleek design and impressive features. As a dark-colored variant, it exudes a sense of sophistication and luxury. In this review, we'll delve into the details of this car and explore what makes it stand out in its class. The GMC Terrain has been around since 2010, but the Denali Ultimate SL trim is a relatively new addition to the lineup. This trim level is designed to offer a more premium experience, with features like a unique grille design, chrome accents, and a luxurious interior. When compared to other cars in its class, such as the Honda or the Toyota RAV4, the GMC Terrain Denali Ultimate SL holds its own. It offers a more powerful engine option, a more premium interior, and a range of advanced safety features. One of the standout design elements of the GMC Terrain Denali Ultimate SL is its exterior styling. The dark color gives the car a sleek and sophisticated look, while the chrome accents add a touch of luxury. The interior is equally impressive, with premium materials and advanced features like a heated steering wheel and a panoramic sunroof. Under the hood, the GMC Terrain Denali Ultimate SL packs a punch. It's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that produces 260 horsepower and of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. In terms of performance, the GMC Terrain Denali Ultimate SL is more than capable. It can go from 0-60 miles proti ghonta in just 6.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. It also offers a range of advanced safety features, including forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. As for pricing, the GMC Terrain Denali Ultimate SL starts at around $43,000. This makes it one of the more premium options in its class, but it's also one of the most feature-rich. So, what sets the GMC Terrain Denali Ultimate SL apart from its competitors? For starters, its unique design elements and premium features make it a standout in its class. It also offers a range of